Step 1. Step 2, leg back. Step 3. When it's balance out, keep your leg.
Keep your leg
on
under
his
his legs like this.
Yes. Now, push it. I'll show you this technique in fast motion. How it works or not. Yes. And you grab. Step number 1. Keep your body loose. Now grab. Keep your elbow in this position. Now twist like this. Guys, now I'll show you this technique real. Yes.
Guys, what about this technique? If you like, then press the like button, subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.